to draw another Christmas doodle. Today we're going to draw Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. Now, let's get drawing. Take out a black marker and now let's get started. First, we're going to start by drawing the nose of Rudolph. To do that, just draw a circle. To give the nose a little bit of a shine, we're going to draw a light reflection on it. Let's move on to Rudolph's eyes. Draw an oval on the right side of the nose. Then draw an oval on the left side of the nose as well. As for the pupil, just draw two U's on top of each other in the oval. Draw the pupil in the left eye as well. Now just go ahead and fill in the gap between both U's. On to the mouth. The mouth should look like a moon shape that is under the nose on the right. Color it in as well. Just so you know, these are called antlers and these are called tines. Time for the antlers. Draw the first antler on the upper right side of the eye. The antlers that we're drawing consist of 4 tines. 3 are facing inwards and 1 is facing outwards. Go ahead and draw Rudolph his second antler. Like the antler on the right side, it should also consist of 4 antlers, 3 facing inwards and 1 facing outwards. Time to draw the face shape of Rudolph. Just draw a line that surrounds his eyes, nose, and mouth. Make sure that it connects to the ends of the antlers as well. Now let's give Rudolph a little bit of hair. Go ahead and draw some zigzag lines from left to right. And ta-da, the hair is done. To make the drawing more fun, let's draw some Christmas light tangled all up around Rudolph's antlers. You can draw it as tangled up as you want, by drawing a line over and under and around his antlers. Let's move on to the body. After drawing the neck, go ahead and draw the 2 front legs. One is up and the other one is on the ground. Draw a line for the tummy that is also connected to the back leg. The back leg is bent. Then go ahead and draw the other back leg along with the back. Go ahead and draw Rudolph his tail. Fill it in with some lines to make it more fluffy. Let's draw Rudolph a blanket on his back. Decorate it with some circles on the side. Draw half a snowflake on the blanket. Now add some more Christmas light. Just add ovals and circles all over the tangled line. Yay, you're finished with the sketch. Now it's time to color it on. Take a brown color or color pencil and color Rudolph's head and body and move it. Color Rudolph's hair and tail in with a light brown color. Use the silver color pen or pencil and color in his hooves and antlers. Light up the Christmas lights with different colors. You can add some shine on some light bulbs as well. Color in Rudolph's red nose and also use the red to color his blanket. At last, use a blue pen to color in his blanket with some stripes so that it looks like the fabric. So you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and had fun drawing Rudolph. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye! See you guys next time!